Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Remember that time you wished you could turn your wildest daydreams into instant movies? Well, hold on to your socks, because today we're exploring exactly that. A groundbreaking new AI tool that breathes life into your imagination with just a few words. Prepare to be amazed by OpenAI's newest creation, Sora, the text-to-video model that's rewriting the rules of content creation. Imagine being able to describe any scene you can dream up, from epic battles to heartwarming moments, and having a realistic video instantly brought to life. That's the magic of Sora. Unlike traditional animation, it doesn't require extensive frame-by-frame creation. Simply feed it a text prompt, and boom. You've got a video up to a minute long, complete with complex scenes, multiple characters, and detailed backgrounds. Think of it as turning your imagination into a movie, all through the power of language. But just talking about it doesn't do it justice. Let's dive into some jaw-dropping examples. Remember those woolly mammoths trekking through the snow? Or the astronaut exploring a vibrant alien landscape? Those weren't just artistic renderings. They were created entirely by Sora from simple text prompts. It's not just about creating visuals, it's about capturing the feeling, the movement, the very essence of the scene. And it does it with an impressive level of detail, from the wind blowing through the mammoth's fur to the texture of the astronaut's spacesuit. Now, let's be honest. No technology is perfect. While Sora creates amazing results, it's important to remember it's still under development. Complex physics simulations might be tricky, and capturing subtle details like cause and effect relationships can be challenging. For example, in this video with prompt basketball through hoop then explodes, inaccurate physical modeling and unnatural object morphing can be seen. It can mix up left and right and may struggle with specific camera trajectory. But hey, that's what makes it exciting. The potential for improvement is vast, and seeing how this technology evolves is like watching the future unfold before our eyes. Of course, with any powerful technology comes responsibility. OpenAI understands this and takes safety seriously. They're actively collaborating with experts to identify potential risks, like the spread of misinformation or misuse of the technology for harmful purposes. Additionally, they're developing tools to detect AI-generated videos and ensure they're used responsibly. It's a crucial step toward ensuring this technology benefits everyone, not just a select few. Sora is more than just a video generator. It's a significant leap towards truly understanding and simulating the physical world through AI. This technology has the potential to revolutionize various fields, from entertainment and education to even scientific research. Imagine filmmakers creating stunning visuals without years of animation, educators bringing history to life with immersive experiences, or researchers exploring complex simulations without building elaborate setups. However, it's essential to approach this technology with an open mind and a keen awareness of its potential impact. So, what do you think about Sora? Does it spark your imagination? Do you have any concerns about its development and use? Let's discuss in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech adventures, and who knows, maybe one day we'll be creating our own stories using AI-powered tools like Sora.